Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for all being here today. I'm so glad for being here too. And thank you for Mrs. Rasi, who gave us the opportunity for present and deliver our presentation today. Let me introduce to our group member. There are Afenti, that's me as moderator, and then Indah as our first speaker, and then Puspita as a second speaker. In today's presentation, we will explore about course design. We don't want to waste the time. Now, let's get started. Please welcome to our speaker, Miss Indah. Time is yours. Alright, thank you for the opportunity for our moderator today. So glad being here. Hello everyone. Is everything good okay today? I hope it's everything good today. So in this moment, I will present you to our topic or subject today. It's about course design, as you can see in the screen, on the screen. As an English educational student, we are always hear about that course design. Yeah, right? That's so familiar uh, for us. And today I will share the material about course design. All right, first, what is course design? Do you know? Maybe someone want to try to answer based on what you know. Is it okay? Yes, course design or process of planning and creating a structured learning experience that effectively achieve aspect specific educational objective. It involves to considering various factors such as the target audience and then learning outcomes and then content and then instructional methods and last is assessment strategies. As you can see on the slide, in this slide, you can see the diagram of element in course design that has three subject element in course design. The first is instruction, the second is learning objectives, and the third is assessment. As you can see on the diagram, in the middle has student. So the course design is student-centered, made for student-centered, and surrounded by instruction, learning objective, and then assessment by the teacher. So if the teacher want to make a course outline, that must be student-centered. I think that's all from me. That's all presented from me. I return to moderator. All right, thank you for our first speaker, Miss Indah. Hope you guys get some learn by her explanation. So let's move and welcome to our second speaker, Miss Puspita, who will explain the next material after the first speakers. So Miss Puspita, please, time is yours. All right. Thank you for the opportunity for our moderator presentation today. I will continue the explanation after our first speaker, Miss Indah. I am Miss Puspita. As you can see on this slide, before the teacher want to teaching in the classroom, they must make some course outline. The course outline is designed for co- uh, for what the content type the teacher want to teaching in the classroom, and then how the structure, and then what the objective for their student outcomes, and then the assessment for their student. Here is some example of course outline. So as a teacher, we must have our course outline before we want to teaching in a classroom, right? And then this is some example of course outline. The structure of course outline. As you can see in this slide, it's some example of course outline. The what is course outline? It's the document serve multiple purposes, including course number, like uh, course number or the title of the subject material, and then semester or the grade, and then instructors, the teachers, and the course type, like where is the where is the this course study. All right, I think that's all from me as the second speakers. I return to moderator. Thank you for your attention and participation.
All right, thank you for all our speakers today. They are doing a great presentation today about course design. Maybe for closing our presentation today, I will make short conclusion about course design. That effective course design is a multi-phase process that requires careful consideration of various elements, learning objective,
Assessment and learning outcomes, and then what else? The context, what the teacher want to learn in the classroom, and then technology can enhance learning experience, but it should be used strategically and in the alignment with course goals. So I think that's all for our group member for the presentation today. Thank you for the opportunity for Miss Rasi once again, and thank you for all your participation today for our friends. So I will closing this material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.